In February, you may recall, a man violently assaulted Minnesota Congresswoman Angie Craig in the elevator of her apartment building. She was able to get away by throwing hot coffee on him. Washington, D.C. is seeing a staggering increase of violent crime. Homicides at 38%.
Remember I drew this last year?
Hitting that grim milestone is the earliest it's happened since 1997. Robberies and car thefts skyrocketing. 2 weeks ago, members of Congress and law enforcement held an open forum on the dangers of the D.C. area and how to try to stay safe.
Tonight's we're... Yeah, well, tonight anyway, we're gonna show off what it looks like, and it's what it looks like without fighting someone. This is what he looks like. Tonight we're gonna draw Zamoro. As I've mentioned in the last one, Zamoro is a fusion of this guy is a fusion of Ultra Instinct Moro and fused zamasu.
No, it has been priority, but the finality of it's different. If the finality of it doesn't mean that it's not a priority. Sometimes he just doesn't get there. I can concentrate on one thing.
Basically, this guy is one of my favorites.
Never get there.
Well, I've been looking at him for a bit, and tonight will be the time I drew this one. In the timeline manga that I saw, Moro and Zamasu fused had joined forces, and they actually got the chance to use the Batara earrings on each other. He's got the power of Ultra Instinct and the ability to absorb energy from other planets and from other beings. This night marks the beginning of a new chapter of the universe. The name of the one to author that chapter is Zamoro, the bringer of eternal order. Yeah, I referenced that from Dragon Ball FighterZ. I plan on placing this in the comments below. Well, in the description box, I meant.
This is what it is, because there are a lot of different subjects of priority. There is not just one. Okay? There are a lot of subjects of priority. I've said this all along.
There we are.
Thank you. Republican Congressman Tony Gonzalez of the great state of Texas, now member of the House Homeland Security and Appropriations Committee. So good to have him in focus.
This gets 80% of my fucking thinking time. What are you talking about? I said, but it doesn't get to the finish line. That doesn't mean that it's not a priority in my mind.
There's his belt.
It starts by the lawlessness. We have to stop the lawlessness and throw the book at the criminals that are conducting this.
Yeah, you know, let's get to brass tacks. I mean, when you hear someone who's in charge of your safety and Capitol Police, any of those people saying, well, you know, it's just a staffing issue, and I'm not really sure what to do to go next.
There he is. There he is. That's how you draw a fused Zamasu. Zamasu fused, merged with Angelic Moro. Yeah, I told you I'd draw this. Look how...
New York City Mayor
Look how amazing he looks. Anyway, this fusion is just the start. There are lots of upcoming fusions coming in the distant future. Be sure to look them up, because I'll be there. Anyway, let me know what you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night. See you in the next episode.